Hi, it's Glenn from Watson's Marine. Just going to take you through 453 territory. Now, I'll be honest, this is probably one of my favourite models in the CJ range. Incredible performing boat, and for its size, punches way above its weight. 453 territory, standard is unpainted. Side console, 2 seats, forward casting platform, anchor bow roller, enclosed transom, and a heavy duty rear ladder, which is a fantastic ladder because you've got both grab handles to assist in getting into the boat. Live bait tanks included, and we'll take you through some of the things that we've done to this one. So just really basically just to make it a little bit more user friendly, we've put the bolt-on bait board on from CJ. This provides knife holders, rod holders, and has that nice uniform appearance to make it look like part of the boat. The other thing we've also done is we've removed the standard plastic rod holders and then put the welded aluminium rod holders. That way if you're trolling for mackies or something like that in the bay, you know that's not going to break and pop out on you. And of course, a little bit of bling on the side. Bit of two-tone striping, just breaks up that raw alloy look without the worry of scratching your paint if you're using crab pots or cast nets and those sort of things on the side of the boat. 453 territory is 2.12 metres wide, massive beam. That width is also carried down to the side of the boat so you don't get that real V, so that allows you that stability. Plus also, the territory has, as all sizes of boats in this area, has the reverse chine on it. Really great factor. Reverse chine gives you better stability and greater hull punch. Great feature. Glove box is standard. Accessory kit's also standard. So you've got your anchor light, navigation lights, bilge pump, live bait tank pump as well, which also has a safety gate valve in the bottom of the boat in case something goes wrong. So matched with a 60 or 70 horsepower outboard, 70 litre underfloor fuel tank, so plenty of range to get you where you want to go to try those new spots. 453 territory, great little boat for you and your family or yourself and a couple of mates to enjoy a day out in the water. Come on in and see us and we can take you through a heap of options that are still available with this hull.